Did you know that orange chicken is one of the most popular Chinese American dishes of all time? And as we all know, everyone also loves chicken McNuggets. That's because they both taste great, and in my hack I'm going to put the two together. Utter genius! And to kick things off, I'm going to saute a teaspoon of garlic and ginger in some oil. Next, in goes a quarter of a cup of brown sugar. Give that a wee mix, then add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, followed by 3 tablespoons of vinegar. Now it's time for some orange juice. A quarter of a cup should be sufficient, but I'm going for a bit more than that because I'm a rebel. And to give it a bit more character, in goes a tablespoon of honey, followed by a sprinkling of paprika to add some colour. Continue to give it a good stir, then add a teaspoon of orange zest. This will give it a bit of a zip and some zing and make it very citrusy indeed. Okay, now reduce the heat and gently pour in the cornstarch slurry. This slurry consists of 1 teaspoon of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of cold water. Keep stirring over medium to low heat and the mixture should thicken right before your eyes. When the mixture starts to turn into a syrup, it's time to add the McNuggies. And for the record, I'm using 15 McNuggies. How about that? Stir well and make sure that all the pieces are nicely coated. And now it's time to add some green onions. This gives the dish a splash of colour and a bit more street cred. Now give it a quick mix to make sure that everything's incorporated, and we are done. Now just take a look at that. As far as I'm concerned, that could be the world's first Orange Chicken McNugget. I may be wrong, but I may be right. Okay, this is the before version, your classic McNuggies with the boot and the bell and their friends. And of course this is the after version, the orange chicken version. You've still got the boot and the bell and their friends, but they've all been orange chickenized. Now just take a look at that. As you can see, they look fantastic, but the question is, how do they taste? Well, they're delicious. They're sweet and sour and citrusy, and also chicken McNuggety. Who would have thunk it? Ronald McDonald, eat your heart out. Thank you for watching on the Bento Buster, and for more content like this, like and follow.